The truth about social media as an earning source. In the 21st century, social media has emerged as a powerful and multifaceted tool, influencing nearly every aspect of our lives. From connecting with friends and family to shaping public opinion, its impact is undeniable. However, one of the most intriguing aspects of social media is its potential to serve as an earning source. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the diverse ways in which social media can be a means of income, the opportunities it presents, and the challenges it poses. 1. The profit potential of social media. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is perhaps one of the most visible and lucrative aspects of earning through social media. Influencers are individuals who have built a substantial and engaged following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and more. They use their influence to promote products and services, often partnering with brands in exchange for compensation. The rise of influencer marketing. Over the past decade, influencer marketing has skyrocketed in popularity. Brands recognize the power of influencers to reach specific target audiences authentically. These influencers are seen as relatable figures, making their endorsements more trustworthy to their followers. Monetization opportunities. Influencers can earn money through various channels, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, brand collaborations, and selling merchandise. The income potential varies greatly based on follower count, niche, and engagement rates. Challenges. Maintaining authenticity while promoting products can be challenging. Over-commercialization can lead to a loss of trust from the audience. Additionally, the constant pressure to create content can lead to burnout. Content creation. Social media platforms offer content creators an opportunity to showcase their talents and creativity. Whether it's photography, videography, writing, or any other form of artistic expression, individuals can monetize their content through several avenues. Ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer creators a share of the ad revenue generated from their videos based on views and engagement. The more engaging the content, the higher the potential income. Sponsorships. Brands often sponsor content creators to feature their products or services in videos or posts. Creators negotiate fees for these partnerships, which can range from a few $100s to millions for top-tier influencers. Merchandise sales. Many content creators design and sell their merchandise, leveraging their fan base to generate income from clothing, accessories, and other branded products. Patreon and crowdfunding. Some creators use platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter to secure funding directly from their audience. This enables them to sustain their creative projects and maintain creative independence. E-commerce integration. Social media platforms have evolved into powerful e-commerce hubs, allowing businesses to sell products directly to consumers. This integration has opened up new revenue streams for both small and large enterprises. Facebook. Marketplace. Individuals and small businesses can list items for sale in local Facebook marketplace groups. This platform facilitates easy transactions within the community. Instagram shopping. Instagram enables businesses to set up shoppable posts and tags, allowing users to purchase products directly through the app. Pinterest shopping. Pinterest has embraced e-commerce, making it seamless for users to discover and purchase products they find on the platform. Social media advertising. Paid advertising on platforms like Facebook and Instagram allows businesses to target specific demographics, driving sales and revenue growth. 2. Networking and professional opportunities. Networking tool. Beyond its income potential, social media serves as a valuable networking tool. LinkedIn, in particular, is designed for professional networking, connecting individuals with job opportunities, mentors, and like-minded professionals. Job opportunities. Employers often use LinkedIn to scout for potential candidates. A well-crafted profile can catch the attention of recruiters and open doors to career advancements. Industry insights. Social media platforms provide access to industry-specific groups and discussions. These forums can be treasure troves of knowledge and insights, helping professionals stay informed and updated. Entrepreneurship and startups. Social media has played a pivotal role in enabling entrepreneurs to build and grow their startups. Marketing and branding. Startups can leverage social media to create brand awareness, engage with their target audience, and drive sales without the need for a large marketing budget. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have become instrumental in crowdfunding startup projects. Social media helps entrepreneurs reach a wider audience, encouraging backers to support their ventures. Customer feedback. Social media facilitates direct communication with customers, allowing startups to gather valuable feedback and make improvements based on customer insights. 3. The dark side of earning on social media. While social media offers abundant opportunities for earning, it's not without its drawbacks and challenges. Time-wasting trap. Excessive use of social media, particularly for leisure and passive consumption, can lead to unproductivity and wasted time. The addictive nature of scrolling through feeds can interfere with work, personal relationships, and mental well-being. Privacy concerns. The constant sharing of personal information on social media raises privacy concerns. Data breaches, identity theft, and misuse of personal information are real threats that users must be aware of and take measures to protect against. Mental health impact. The curated and idealized lives often portrayed on social media can lead to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, and anxiety. Constant comparison with others can negatively impact mental health. Algorithm challenges. Social media algorithms are designed to prioritize engaging content, which often means sensational or controversial material. This can lead users down a rabbit hole of clickbait and misinformation. Platform dependency. Relying solely on social media for income can be risky. Algorithms change, platforms rise and fall in popularity, and the competition is fierce. Diversifying income sources is advisable to mitigate these risks. 4. Strategies for success. To navigate the world of earning on social media effectively, individuals and businesses can adopt several strategies. Set clear goals. Define your objectives, whether it's building a personal brand, growing a business, or networking. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and measure your success. Quality over quantity. Prioritize quality content and engagement over the quantity of posts. Authenticity and value are key to building a loyal following. Diversify income streams. Relying on a single source of income on social media can be risky. Explore various monetization options to create a more stable revenue stream. Consistency. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Regular interactions with your followers build trust and loyalty. Balance online and offline life. Strive for a healthy balance between your online and offline life. Nurture relationships and skills beyond the digital realm to maintain a well-rounded life. Privacy awareness. Be cautious about the information you share on social media. Review and update privacy settings regularly to protect your personal data. Time management. Use tools and apps to track and limit your time on social media. Avoid mindless scrolling and focus on productive activities. 5. The future of earning on social media. The landscape of earning on social media is continually evolving. The future may hold new opportunities and challenges as technology advances and user behavior changes. Virtual reality, VR. The integration of virtual reality into social media platforms is poised to be a game changer for content creators and entrepreneurs. VR can offer immersive experiences, allowing users to interact with content in 3 dimensions. As the technology matures, individuals and businesses may find innovative ways to monetize VR content, from virtual tours of real estate properties to immersive product demonstrations. Furthermore, VR could revolutionize social interaction, enabling people to connect in virtual spaces, attend virtual events, and even conduct business meetings. As these VR experiences become more prevalent, opportunities for networking and collaboration could expand, creating new income streams for those who adapt to this emerging medium. Blockchain and cryptocurrency integration. The rise of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency has already begun to impact social media earnings. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have enabled digital artists, musicians, and content creators to sell unique digital assets directly to their audience. This can include digital art, collectibles, music, and more. The blockchain ensures the scarcity and provenance of these assets, allowing creators to profit from their digital creations in a way that was previously difficult to achieve. Moreover, some platforms are exploring the use of cryptocurrency as a means of rewarding content creators and users for their engagement and contributions. These microtransactions, powered by cryptocurrencies, could further enhance the earning potential of social media for active participants. Regulation and ethical considerations. As social media continues to evolve as an earning source, governments and regulatory bodies are scrutinizing the industry more closely. Privacy concerns, misinformation, and the power wielded by tech giants have raised ethical questions and prompted calls for tighter regulations. Creators and businesses should stay informed about evolving legal and ethical considerations to ensure they operate within the bounds of the law and maintain the trust of their audience. Conclusion. The truth about social media as an earning source is that it offers a vast and ever-expanding landscape of opportunities. From influencer marketing and content creation to e-commerce integration and professional networking, social media has transformed the way individuals and businesses generate income. However, this potential is not without its challenges, including the risk of time wasting, privacy concerns, and the impact on mental health. To succeed in the world of earning on social media, it's essential to set clear goals, prioritize quality and authenticity, diversify income streams, and balance online and offline life. Staying aware of emerging technologies such as virtual reality and blockchain can also open up new avenues for income generation. As social media continues to evolve, those who adapt and innovate are poised to thrive in this dynamic landscape, redefining the way we work, create, and connect in the digital age.